Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your tech needs. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, the WILLONE 6-piece screen protector kit. If you're someone who wants to protect your valuable device with a reliable, high-quality product, then this is a video you won't want to miss. This kit includes everything you need to keep your Galaxy Z Fold 4 in pristine condition. You get 2 inner TPU screen protectors, 2 front tempered glass protectors, and 2 camera lens protectors. This ensures that your entire phone is covered, from the delicate foldable inner screen to the front screen and even the camera lenses. All without affecting the performance or aesthetics of your device. Let's dive into why this is the ultimate choice for anyone looking to protect their Z Fold 4. First off, the TPU material used for the inner screen protector offers excellent durability and flexibility. It's oil-resistant, anti-fingerprint, and incredibly easy to clean, which makes maintaining your phone hassle-free. You won't have to worry about sweaty fingerprints or smudges interrupting your day. The front tempered glass protectors included in the kit are made from 9H hardness glass, which means they are tough against scratches, bumps, and accidental drops. This level of protection gives you peace of mind knowing that your screen is well guarded. Plus, these protectors are case-friendly, leaving enough space around the edges for your case to fit perfectly without compromising the screen protector's effectiveness. Speaking of cases, this screen protector is designed to be compatible with most cases, allowing you to use both simultaneously. The extra space around the borders ensures that the protector won't interfere with your case, so you get the best of both worlds, maximum protection and sleek design. The camera lens protectors are also made from tempered glass and provide the same level of defense as the screen protectors. They're designed to safeguard your lenses against scratches and other damage, ensuring that your photos remain crystal clear without the worry of lens wear. One of the standout features of this screen protector kit is its self-healing technology. The inner TPU screen protector has the ability to heal minor scratches over time, making it a long-lasting solution for keeping your phone looking brand new. If you're someone who is hard on their phone, this is definitely a feature you'll appreciate. Installation is a breeze, especially with the included cleaning kit that helps you remove any dust or debris before applying the protectors. There's also an installation video available online, making the whole process even easier. You can rest assured that once the protector is applied, your phone will be fully shielded from everyday wear and tear. Overall, the WILLONE 6-piece screen protector kit for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to ensure their phone stays protected without sacrificing usability. With its durable materials, self-healing technology, and perfect fit, it's the ideal solution for safeguarding your foldable phone. If you're looking for the best screen protector for your Z Fold 4, this is definitely the one to go for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. See you in the next video.